Yes, and welcome to another Life of Rye video. Today I'm about to head out on my piece of kit, my 765RS. So I've been meaning to get out on the bike to capture some of the standard performance that it offers. I'd like to get some footage of the bike on how it performs in gear in third, fourth, fifth. And then obviously when I get the bike tuned, I can put a side-by-side comparison and see what we're getting. But at the same time I thought, if I'm going to do that, why don't I also try and capture the standard exhaust note for you guys? The bike sounds really good standard. I'm really impressed with it. Obviously I'm getting an aftermarket exhaust. I have my reasons for that. But I'd like to demonstrate how the bike sounds standard. So I've got a couple of microphones that I'm going to dot around the bike, try and capture the intake, try and capture the exhaust note, put it all together and see how it sounds. Hopefully it comes out good. It's quite difficult to capture the sound of a bike when you're on the go, but I'll do my best. So, you want to come with me? Of course you do. Let's go.